Tina, and I'm doing a tour of my hotel room. This time I am at the Marriott Marquis in New York, Times Square. I just entered my room, so just wanted to show you what the foyer looks like. Foyer. Right here, this is the closet as soon as you walk in. This is the door. It has a peephole, which I always appreciate. And yep, here's the closet on the right, and on the left is the bathroom. Let me just turn on. When I walked in, they had this light thing going, and I thought that was really cool. Anyway, let's turn on the light. It gets pretty bright here. There we go. So this is the sink area with a lot of counter space. It's very clean, got a lot of nice room for your stuff. I didn't put anything out yet. A lot of lighting and a lot of mirror space, which is awesome. You could probably share this room with somebody and not have to fight for the mirror, which is cool. The product here, you've probably seen before if you stayed at any kind of Marriott. It's the This Works product, and I always like the scent of this product, so I'm really happy about it. Over here we've got your makeup mirror, which has got a really cool design. Just move it in, whatever, like that. Very nice, very modern looking. This is your towel rack, and it's kind of cool actually. I like that. It really gives a lot of character to this bathroom. Nothing new here, you know, although I do like the way the bathroom looks with these tiles. The shower head over there. Not a rainfall shower head, but it looks like it could be, right? Doesn't it? Alright, so then over here we have the closet, sliding doors. Oh, there's the light. Shelf on top, hangers, ironing board. You have your suitcase rack over there. Got my backpack down there. And then on this side, you have the iron, laundry bags, and then a vertical safe. This is actually, I mean, I see this usually as a horizontal safe, but I actually think it has more space, which is cool. Okay, so right over here, you got a full-length mirror right before you go out. This foyer is actually pretty big. I have to say it's pretty roomy for a hotel room in New York City. And then here is the bedroom area, the bedroom. I usually ask for a king bed, but there's a possibility that my sister may be staying with me, so I just thought, let me get 2 beds. It's a really nice, modern looking room. I was told that this floor, or this section of the New York Marriott Marquis, was renovated about a year ago, so that's why it looks so new. And let me just show you the other side. I love this pillar of a lamp. So yeah, really nice look here. Very sleek. Over here you've got the desk area. Your outlets are over here. I like how they included this sort of rack to put magazines and flyers in there. You could even put this menu in there if you wanted to, if you needed the space. Right? Yeah. So that's cool. And then down here, I noticed that this pulls out, so you can make your own desk if you have to. If you need to work, or if you want to work while watching TV. This is a pretty big flat screen, so I can see this being pretty fun to watch if you want to watch a movie in here and some Netflix and chill out. What else? Oh, the jar space, 6 jars, 4 regular jars, 2 large ones in the bottom. Over here is your beverage stand, so ice bucket, 2 glasses. Down here, your fridge, which is empty. And then up here is your coffee station that you pull out with your coffee things. And then, again, soft bed sheets, more outlets over here, and here. Long clock phone. I wonder if there's anything in here. Okay, oops, got that caught. So the view, actually, I'm on the high floor, so the view actually goes in. It faces another office building, so I really don't want to peek outside. And just to show you, like, we are pretty high up. That thing over there says that the light up sign over there says St. James. Let me see if I can pull it. No, I can't. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, we're on the 39th floor, and so it's not that great of a view because of this office building, but you get to see some of the highlights of skyscrapers. Anyway, I like the design of that pillow. So they added this parlor area, which is really cute and comfy if you just want to relax or just have a bite but you don't want to eat at your desk. You can just chill out over here. I'm pretty sure you can tilt. Yes, you can tilt the TV to whichever way you want. So yeah, a very cool, I like the new style of this room. It's very nice. I think I'm going to really enjoy staying in this room. And yeah, so only a year old, so this is the new look of the Marriott Marquis. I'm also looking at the roof, the ceiling. I noticed that there is no popcorn ceiling anymore, which is nice. So yeah, if you're going to be in New York City, check out the New York Marriott Marquis in Times Square. You probably have heard of it before because it's one of the well-known large big box hotels in Times Square. It also has a lot of meeting space. I come here for a lot of events. I happen to be staying here tonight because I am going to an event that's going to be a long night, so I figure I might as well just spend the night. But yeah, this is a nice hotel, and definitely check it out. So one thing I forgot to mention is that if you take a look at this room, you'll see that there are no beverages available, including water. Sometimes hotels give you 2 bottles of water, sometimes they don't. In this case, the Marriott does not. Actually, they offered me the water when I checked in. But yeah, so just keep that in mind when you come to the New York Marriott Marquis, that you'll probably have to get water when you check in, because it won't be in your room. Just wanted to add that.